is a song that's written by Holly Near. Holly wrote this song as a communal song, a song where people could join in with her. It says so much. You can add your own words to this song as well, and if you notice, if you go back to the original, I may have adapted a few extra words or changed some slightly to fit me. Holly is the most amazing songwriter, and I welcome you to sing along with me today. And Jeff, I would love to hear your beautiful voice there. It's such a beautiful song. It brings us all together. A song called Gentle Loving People. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. We are gentle loving people, and we are singing for our